Kajingelang ka UDP menta kasngi ka khandai trik nailar kalaya thirbon kimat kentup ika kam mano banlong Lamphang ka yeng dorbar hadin bala khlat pindit no Dr. Don Kuparoy kajingelang ka Central Executive Committee kalarai ban Aiti hi ki MLA bikin ya kren ya Jied hi ya uno MLA shimti ya ka shuki Lamphang ka yeng dorbar ka jela ka UDP ka don prangot ki MLA kentup arngot ki basuwan ya so senior working president ka UDP uba bendu Lanong ulai tu menta kasngi hadin balawai ka jingelang ba ka jingelang kala IT hai ki MLA ban Jied Iano ban shimti ka kam Lamphang damaki hi ulai tu ru bai ka kam president ka UDP larai ban Jied ka jingelang ba ka banlong ha khatwei trik nailur banwan bad ya menta on penya chwa da mau hado ban yo do wei president bathamai ka jingalang kala rairu ban benchet ha ka shela UDP circle na ka banta ban Jied yu kurtong ka election sitang samoy na shela ka jingalang ka UDP shela circle halor ka ne kanlong ha ka arpho artrik ha shela ha ka ba on pen benasan don yu kurtong uba bendo lai thu ba ka party klai krenru ban pen klan bat ban pen thamai ka party ha Garo Hills bat kin pen long ka jinglet jingo ha ka khatnyo trik menta ubnai sha William Nagar.
We took up the matter of the vacancy created in the passing away of Dr. Don recently, and what we decided is that the present setup will continue to function until the General Council, which is scheduled to meet in September, will finally sit, consider, decide and elect the new office bearers of the party for 2019 onwards for the next 3 years. And we have also constituted an organizing committee where the top party leaders, the working presidents, the general secretary and other leaders will be here in the committee, and we have also appointed Bak Medbak as chairman of the organizing committee for the General Council. And yeah, they are working presidents, Paul Lindo, myself, and the secretary. We can co-opt also any other leader that we would like. Next is the by-election for the vacancy in Shela. We have decided that the party will endorse. What the general meeting of the Shela constituency will take a call and finalize the candidature for the Shela seat. For your information, the consensus already arrived at, as we learned from the leaders of the party Shela, that the consensus was in favor of a candidate from the family of Dr. Don, and that matter has been consulted also with the family, but they will finally take a call at a public meeting which will be held at Shela on the 22nd of August. So whatever they decide Today we have decided that the party will endorse the decision that will arrive at on that day. That is the 22nd of August.